Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TaxJar to monitor tax rates for insurance payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate TaxJar for monitoring tax rates related to insurance payments, begin by visiting the TaxJar website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your TaxJar account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Locate the Settings option in the sidebar menu. Click on Sales Tax Settings to proceed. Select the option for Integrations to integrate TaxJar with your system. Find the integration that corresponds with your e-commerce or accounting platform. Follow the prompts to connect TaxJar with your chosen platform. Once integrated, return to the Sales Tax Settings section. Look for the Tax Rate Settings area to configure your tax rate monitoring. Check the options for auto-calculating tax rates. Enable notifications for any changes in tax rates. Input your insurance payment details where necessary. Save your settings to confirm the activation. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Now, TaxJar is set up to monitor tax rates for you. You're all set to streamline your tax compliance process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.